Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Synthesia AI video generator and create professional videos step by step. First, open Synthesia and start a new video project. Begin by deciding what type of video you want to create, such as a tutorial, presentation, training video, marketing video, or YouTube content. Next, prepare your script. Write clear and organized content before adding it to the editor. A good script helps the AI avatar deliver your message more naturally. Now choose an AI avatar for your video. Select a presenter that matches your topic, audience, and overall video style. After choosing your avatar, select an AI voice. Consider the language, accent, tone, and speaking style. Choose a voice that is easy to understand and suitable for your content. Next, add your script to the scenes. Break longer content into smaller sections so each scene focuses on one main idea. Now, customize your scenes by adding text, images, videos, shapes, and other visual elements. These visuals can help explain your message and make the video more engaging. You can also add subtitles and background music when appropriate. Keep the design simple and make sure the narration remains the main focus. After building your scenes, arrange them in the correct order. Make sure the video has a clear beginning, middle, and ending. Next, preview the project. Check the avatar, AI voice, pronunciation, timing, text, visuals, and transitions. If you notice any problems, go back to the relevant scene and make the necessary changes. You can adjust the script, voice, layout, or visual elements until the video looks and sounds right. It's also a good idea to watch the complete video one more time before generating the final version. This helps you catch small mistakes that may be missed when reviewing individual scenes. Once everything is ready, generate your video using Synthesia. After the video is processed, review the final result and make sure the quality meets your expectations. Finally,